Through centuries of wandering, exile, and return to their land, the people of God held on to this promise that the coming Messiah would restore them and bring God's kingdom. They waited in anticipation for the one who would finally crush serpent's head, heal the broken relationship, and bless all nations. After centuries of waiting, God sent Jesus into the world as a humble baby. Just as the angel Gabriel proclaimed, Jesus was conceived by the Holy Spirit and born to a virgin named Mary. The angels celebrated his birth and announced that the long-awaited King and Messiah had finally come. The shepherds hurried to see him, and the wise men traveled from far lands seeking the newborn King. This is the story of birth of Jesus as told in the Gospel of Matthew and Luke. The story of Jesus' birth began when God sent the angel Gabriel to Nazareth to a virgin named Mary. Mary was engaged to a man named Joseph, who belonged to the family of King David. The angel appeared to Mary and greeted her, saying, "You are most highly blessed, and the Lord is with you." Mary was upset and wondered what kind of greeting this might be. But the angel said to her, "Do not be afraid, Mary. The Lord is very pleased with you. You will become pregnant and give birth to a son, and you must call him Jesus." Mary asked the angel, "How can this thing happen because I'm a virgin?" The angel answered, "The Holy Spirit will come on you, and the power of the Most High will cover you. So the Holy One to be born will be called Jesus. For whatever God says always comes true." Mary answered, "I am a servant of the Lord. May your words to me be fulfilled." Then the angel left her. Now, soon after that, Mary got ready, left her home, and went to visit her relative Elizabeth. Elizabeth was also pregnant and would give birth to John the Baptist. When Mary greeted Elizabeth, the baby in Elizabeth's womb jumped for joy, and Elizabeth was filled with the Holy Spirit. Then Elizabeth blessed Mary, saying, "Blessed are you among women, and blessed is the child you will have. But why is God so kind to me that the mother of my Lord should come to me? You are a woman God has blessed, and you have believed that God will keep his promises to you." Hearing Elizabeth, Mary responded with a song of praise, celebrating God's faithfulness and mercy. Mary stayed with Elizabeth for about 3 months and then returned home. Now, Joseph, the man who was engaged to Mary, found out that Mary was pregnant by the power of Holy Spirit. Joseph was a righteous man and did not want to put Mary to shame. So he decided to quietly divorce her. And as he was thinking about this, an angel of the Lord appeared to him in a dream and said, "Joseph, son of David, do not be afraid to take Mary home as your wife, for the child inside her is from the Holy Spirit. She will give birth to a son, and you are to give him the name Jesus." All this happened to fulfill what the Lord had said through the prophets. The virgin will have a baby and give birth to a son, and they will call him Emmanuel, which means God with us. When Joseph woke up, he obeyed what the angel of the Lord had commanded him and took Mary home as his wife. But he did not sleep with her until she gave birth to a son. Now, in those days, Caesar Augustus made a new law that a census should be done for the entire Roman world. So everybody had to go to their hometowns to be registered. Joseph also traveled from Nazareth in Galilee to Bethlehem in Judea, the town of David, because he belonged to the line and family of King David. Mary, who was pregnant, went with him. And while they were there, the time for the child came to be born, and Mary gave birth to her firstborn son. She wrapped him in clothes and placed him in a manger, because there were no guest rooms available for them. And Joseph named him Jesus. May the Lord honor the telling of his word.